How to get cantaloupe seeds. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden. Today I'm going to show you how to get cantaloupe seeds. I have some cantaloupes here and I'm going to show you how to get the seeds so you can use them to grow cantaloupe next year. Instead of going to the store and buying cantaloupe, you can grow cantaloupe from the seeds that you get out of here. Whether you get the cantaloupe from the store or from your garden, this is how you're gonna get the seeds for next year. So I'll show you how to get the seeds. So the first thing we want to do is want to break it open like I just did, and then you need a bowl or pan, and you want to take, you can use a spoon. I just use my fingers to take these in the middle like this. These are all the seeds that you have. You just want to scoop it out like that, put it in the bowl. Put the seeds like that. Do the same on this side. It's nice and soft and easy, especially if it's really ripe and it's been either on the shelf or at home for a couple of days. It's easy to come out, so you just scoop it out like that. Okay, that's what we have right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go through it and just break down if there are any that's attached to the pumpkin itself. I just break it down like that. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some water in and I'm gonna rinse it and make sure it's rinse it out. Then I can just spread it out for it to dry. You can also put water inside in the container like this and just leave it for a day or two and then just come and rinse it out. It might come out much better, but I just do it the easy way and the fast way. So I'm just gonna put water in it right now. What you want to do next is get a sift like this, and after putting the water in there, you just want to just mush it around like that. Just press the seeds together like that. It should come out easily from the chops, and then we should be able to rinse it. So just take it like that and put it in the and there you go. You have your seeds here. You have some chops there, but those chops you can easily go in there and just take out the chops, or you can dry it a little bit and it will be easier for you to take out the chops. So let's go put it on a newspaper and let it dry. So you can get a tray like this, or you can get a newspaper or a paper to do it. So I'm just using a tray on this one. So what you just do is just spread it on the tray like that, and you just want to spread it on the tray like that, and then you want to just chuck it once a day. You can just come and just turn it around, let it dry outside or somewhere very warm and dry inside. Just once you spread it like that, you just we're gonna leave it here to dry, and then we should be able to get our seeds. So like I said, you can use newspaper, or you can use any paper or any sheet to dry like that. And you want it to dry completely. It might take a day or two depending on the weather. Some in colder areas it might take up to a week, but you want to make sure it's completely dry before you store it. You want to mix it up regularly like that so that it doesn't stick together. That I did this, and you can hear the sound. It's getting dry. It's almost there. So that's it. That's how you get cucumber seeds. Cantaloupe seeds. That's how you get cantaloupe seeds for free. Now we have our seeds that we can plant. What you want to do is you want to put it in a bag and label it and also date it, so that way you know what seed is it and what year you put it in the bag, so that way you can keep track of that. Okay, that is it. Okay, after a couple of days, the seeds are really dry now. So what I'm gonna do is you can use a paper towel like this, or you can use a newspaper to save it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on this newspaper. I'll put it on this newspaper, then I'll put it in a Ziploc bag like this. And you just want to write the name of the seed on the bag and the date, so that way you know when the seed was stored, when it was put aside, so that way you can identify the year the seed was saved, so that you can use the old ones first, so that you don't lose the seeds. And because the older the seeds, the more difficult, or the less it's gonna germinate. So you want to make sure that you don't save it too long. Some seeds might go for 3, 4, 5 years, no problem, but you just want to check and make sure that you're using the old ones first and saving the new ones. So that is it. You just put it in the paper like that, and just fold the paper. I like to put it on the paper like this, so that way, at least if it's just in a regular bag, it might heat up, and might have some juice and stuff like that, and the seeds might rot. So, but I put it on the paper like this before I put it in the bag, so that way it maintains the dry environment in there, and it helps with the seeds last longer. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks, and happy growing.